Apex method. In this video, we are going to take a look at server-side method, Apex method, so that it will return the list of volunteers by setting a parameter BMI category. So we have already have one pick list field on our component, and it is having 3 values. Once the user changes, it has to send this as parameter to Apex method, so that the Apex method is going to send back the list of volunteers based on the category. Okay, in the volunteer list component, let me have volunteer list of type list. I can give list so that it is list of string or anything, or I can also give specific the array of volunteers. Anything is okay for me. Okay, then come. So once the user changes, it will call Apex method, and the Apex method will return the list of volunteers, and then this volunteer list has to be updated. So in the iteration, you are using volunteers, and it has one tile component. Okay, let's go to the controller part. From the controller, you are having helper. Go to the helper. In the helper, right, so I have component reference from the local ID cell category. From that, I am taking the category value using the get method. Okay, then I have such action. So it is having C. C stands for server side controller. So here you need to have one Apex controller, and it should have the method. Okay, volunteer such con. So this is the name. Let me give to class. Okay, you won't have with sharing keyword, you can have the with sharing keyword. What next? It should have a method or enabled. It should be a public, it should be a static, and it should be the list of volunteer _c return, then return volunteers by category. This is the method, and let it have a parameter string category return . So I am going to return the list of records of ID, name, height, weight, BMI, category, mobile, email from volunteer, where category is in category. So this is coming from Lightning. Good. I have server side method ready with me. Then in the volunteers list component helper, we are doing action variable calling controllers return volunteers by category. Return volunteers by category. Good. Then setting parameter category, setting callback. So in the response, you are setting volunteer list of markup. Volunteer list of markup is being updated with responses return value. Okay, let us test. Okay, test. So change normal weight. So these people are normal weight. Xavier, Chris, David. Underweight, only Andrew, James. Overweight, these people are Evan, Benny. Okay, good. So the server side method is returning based on category. This category is being sent as parameter from Lightning to the Apex. So in this section, we have learned the composition of a component, its plan, its order, then the list components markup, then independent record or tile component. Then we have also understood the SLDS styles that we have applied to the components. Then Apex method, which will take parameter from Lightning component and will return the list of volunteers based on that category parameter. In the next section, let's understand very important concept, Lightning events, because the Lightning framework is event driven programming model. So let's meet in the next section.